Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. We will learn about farm animals today. Let's learn together. Cow. C-O-W, cow. Sheep. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Goose. G-O-O-S-E, goose. Horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. Hen. H-E-N, hen. Rooster. R-O-O-S-T-E-R, rooster. Goat. G-O-A-T, goat. Pig. P-I-G, pig. Donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. Duck. D-U-C-K, duck. Rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. Deer. D-E-E-R, deer. Turkey. T-U-R-K-E-Y, turkey. Dove. D-O-V-E, dove. Bee. B-E-E-B. Duckling. D-U-C-K-L-I-N-G, duckling. Dog. D-O-G, dog. Cat. C-A-T, cat. Parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Chick. C-H-I-C-K, chick. Thank you. Support us by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel.